Good morning. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back again. See, I told you I'm coming back to YouTube. Welcome to my vlog. Okay, so whoever gave me this, thank you. It's from my brother concert. One of the fans gave me this, and it smells better than the other ones. I don't know why. It is 7:20 right now. I have work. Okay, so today's vlog is gonna be work from home edition. So we're not going out anywhere because we have work, and I'm usually really busy on work day. So right now we're gonna do to-do list for today. I normally do that like every single day, and then we're gonna make breakfast because I'm hungry. And we also gonna plan our days on the Google Calendar. Oh, I have a meeting at 9, which will be around 3 in Thailand.
Got the kick.
I suddenly have like a seminar to join.
คิดว่าเราต้องทำที่ต้องทำของชาติในงานขายของเราอ่ะในเรื่องของการจะสร้างความสิ่งที่มันขัดขวางกันเนาะคือผู้บริหารอยากได้ภาพใหญ่มาโอ้ยนะครับผู้บริหารที่เราบอกว่านะ description ชื่อรายการแล้วก็จำนวนรวมถามคือหน้าตาต้องติ๊กแบบนี้ไหมหรือหน้าตาอื่นก็ได้หรือว่ารับด้วย data แล้วไปเปิดเซลล์ส่งข้อมูลกับไปเปิดเซลล์ออเดอร์ให้อัตโนมัติในระบบของลูกค้าเพราะงั้นเนี่ยข้อดีคือชื่อลูกค้าจะถูกแปลงเป็น customer code ชื่อเซลล์จะถูกเปลี่ยนแปลงเป็น sales code SKU ที่เขียนไม่เหมือนโดนปิดไว้อะไรเงี้ยซึ่งพี่ว่าถ้าถึงว่าเรามาใช้ใช่ไหมครับ
หรือแบบไอตัวที่เราพยายามทำเหมือนที่เราเอาออกมาตอนแรกที่เราจะเอามาทำการตลาดนะคะ ตัวแทนเราด้วยเขาก็เหมือนเขาก็ขายตัวนี้ดี แล้วลูกค้าเองก็มองหา
น่าจะเป็นแนวแบบส้มอิฐหรือว่าส้มขรึมๆมากกว่าอย่างที่คุณนายบอกอะค่ะเพราะว่า
เ myself right now, and I got a message from the lobby saying that I got a package. So I went down to get, the parcel. It's my first like ever PR box from a brand. I mean, oh my goodness, this is a good day. I'm gonna film something because I want to see what is inside already. I just got down, got a package. Literally, I'm really so excited right now. Okay, so I'm done with that. But I'm hungry and it's lunchtime. As I said before, it's vegan day. I already made rice. And I'm gonna have this Korean spicy sauce with, like, I'm gonna bake some cabbage. And I have leftover of spicy tofu soup. So I'm gonna have that. So yeah, I'm gonna have this. This is the spicy tofu soup. It's vegan. I made it like 2 or 3 days ago. Lunch smells really good. So this is like the cabbage. It smells amazing. And I'm gonna eat it with this sauce. It's a Korean spicy sauce. And I microwave this spicy tofu soup. So this is the rice and cabbage and the sauce and also the tofu soup. And I'm gonna watch Friends because why not?
Oh, I've been standing here spelling it out for you.
That's the tofu. My camera is dying again. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go finish my lunch. And then I'll see you guys later. I need to charge my camera. Is it bad that I want to nap now? It's 2:30 and I forgot that I haven't had my vitamins today. But honestly, I want to nap. I'm taking a break from work and everything. I might be watching TikTok for a bit and I want to read a book because I want to finish that. I mean, it's really good and I want to finish it, and I also want to read something else. So I want to finish this book. This is really nice. I mean, it's so good. If you like magic. But I just bought like 3 books and I want to read them too. So I'm trying to finish this one. So yeah, I'll be on TikTok for a little bit and read and maybe nap. My hair is a mess right now. I did not sleep though. I did not nap. I was just on TikTok for an hour. It's 3:30 right now. I have to learn some Chinese because my brother is living in China, and my family business we have to talk with our suppliers who are Chinese. She actually has like homework for us to do. I did not do anything yet, but it's okay. So that was an hour. Okay, so next on my schedule, not really on my schedule, but I've been trying to do Pilates like 5 days a week. So normally I would do Pilates on weekdays, and today's weekdays, today's Tuesdays, so I'm gonna do Pilates for like 25 minutes. I am doing Pilates from this. She's amazing Pilates instructor. Like, she's amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna go get changed and I'm gonna do that. And I'll see you guys after that. Well, I have been editing for like 30 minutes now. I was on my phone with my mom. As you can see, my dogs. I was FaceTiming with my dogs. So right now it's 6:30 and it's dinner time. I am hungry. I don't have any recipes today. I'm just gonna do random things. I have noodles, which is vegan. Sorry there. I have noodles. It looks like egg noodles, but it's vegan because they only have like flour, salt, and water. That's it. And I just bought this sauce. Can you see? I'm gonna make a stir fry today, a noodle stir fry with that sauce, and hopefully it will be good on its own. I'm gonna have with mushrooms. I don't really have any greens today, and I have bought, it's like a plant-based meatball, but the name says vegetarian meatballs, so that's suspicious, but it says it's vegan approved, so we have to try this today. I tried a vegan sausage once. It was so bad. So hopefully this one will be good. I can't even open it up. So this is gonna be my dinner. Spicy sauce, noodle stir fry with these things. This is dinner. I'm a bit scared. I mean, it looks good. It looks good, but I'm a little bit scared because It's a plant-based meatballs, but we're gonna try. I don't really like this sauce. I tried the noodles already. Only a tiny bit of that. I don't really like this sauce, and I bought like a lot of it. I need to find a way to make it likable for me. I mean, it's not that bad. Or maybe I did wrong. So if you guys know the correct way to use this sauce, please tell me, because I don't know. So this is what I'm scared of. It was so mushy because it wasn't cooked. This is really like a normal meat. It was so mushy and it's not mushy anymore. Oh my god. Okay, first bite. Okay, it's not that bad. This is like big bite, full bite. A bite of everything. If you ask me, this is not bad. But it's not like the best or wow. But it's not bad at all. I can eat this without suffering. And I'm watching Friends again while I eat. It's around 9 right now. But I've had my dinner. I showered, I washed my hair, put on my skincare. So right now it's time to relax. I'm gonna paint. And these flowers, I don't know if you guys can see, but this one looks like chicken. It looks exactly like chicken. Done. The center of these are still wet, so I'm gonna leave it here. But it's kind of cute, isn't it? So that's done. I mean, look at that. I'm kind of proud. So right now it's around, I think it's 10 right now. I'm gonna watch a movie before I go to bed. But I'm also kind of tired. Should we get into bed? And I can read a book, so we can have a like early night. I don't think I'm gonna sleep early, but maybe it's a good idea to just get into bed early. Oh, this is comfy. Okay, so I'm just gonna read my book, and maybe I'm gonna watch something on my iPad before bed, or I might get on TikTok. No, I shouldn't do that, because I did that last night, and I was in bed at like 11, and I felt like I went to sleep at 1:30. That was 2 hours and a half on TikTok. That's not good. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'm just gonna go read my book, watch something, and then go to bed. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm just gonna go. This is really comfy, so bye.